Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to make a quick video on the NVDA stock levels. It's pretty evident that we are trading within this range around 130 to about 116. I do believe that when they get stuck in these trends, they like to retest not only the top but the bottom as well. So tomorrow, going to be patient, going to see what happens here. This is today's low, which is $120 a share. If NVIDIA goes to check this level tomorrow, will it hold is the question. If you're scalping, I could see a potential long entry here with your stop below 120. And then if it does not hold 120, I believe we are going to get a retest of this low around 117 to 116. So I definitely would pay attention to that. That's another 2 to 3% pullback from there. If you look at NVIDIA on a big scale, it has pulled back ever since that news. And what I'm seeing is that we have a new lower high that is forming, potentially. Now, it doesn't mean it is going to happen, but right here is your head, and now here is your shoulder that's starting to form here. And then if you look right here, there is another shoulder. So I'm wondering if we are going to see further downside in NVIDIA stock and start pushing past these new lows below 116 and then make its move down lower. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It definitely could go the other way. But when you erase this, there's two possibilities that I really see. It's either it makes those new lows like that, or this is a potential for, let's just get rid of these marks for a second. This is a potential for a lower low and now a higher low. So it's going on the opposite here. It was around 117, then it bounced to 119, and then it bounced to about 120 per share. If it can hold that 120 level, we can get a retest of that 130. And I think we just got to be careful. It has to break 130, and then it's going to have to prove itself on this level to be able to bounce off of 130. So I would not be bullish on NVIDIA right now. If you want to scalp the lows, that's completely fine. But you need to keep that in mind. 116 is the line in the sand where you got to cut it loose. Tell me what you think in the comments section below. I've been trading NVIDIA, made some good money on them today, but just want to be aware that we did pull back recently from not too long ago. I mean, this is January 24th from 148 all the way down to 116, which is a 22% pullback. And now we are kind of in limbo, waiting to see, are we going to break out of this channel? Because what I can see also with this is this could just be a nice little bear flag forming after we had this nice sell-off, a nice little bear flag, and then boom, news hits and we break through and make new lows down to $100 per share. Which I'm sure anybody that, buys and sells NVIDIA, they would love to buy shares on the cheap over here. Maybe retesting this support level down here around 103, 105. Haven't heard it before. Trading Simplified on the WAP. You can get direct access to me where I post, my day trades, what I'm looking at. This is where I made over $878 on NVIDIA today, just scalping them, even though NVIDIA had a down day today. I also post the levels as well. And if you're interested, definitely check out my WAP. I'll show you in the description above. All right, so this is the YouTube channel here, Trading Simplified. Look for the icon. Just click under the links right here. You can click on thewap.com, Trading Simplified, and you'll be able to access that. A couple dollars a month, and you get a bunch of access for you. Also, check out my other videos, the how to set up automatic investments on Fidelity, the semiconductor ETF from Fidelity, the Fidelity High Dividend ETF, day trading on Fidelity Active Trader Pro, and there's so much more. So just be sure, check it out, go through the playlists, and you'll definitely see a lot to offer here.